In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Manus AI account in just 5 minutes. Whether you've decided to switch platforms or you simply no longer need your account, it's important to know how to properly and securely remove your information. Let's get started. First, you need to log into your Manus AI account. Head over to your favorite web browser and visit Manus AI's login page. Enter your credentials as you normally would to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Here, you'll see various features and settings that you can explore. But for the purpose of this video, we want to focus on your account settings. Look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon displayed there. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu serves as a gateway to various personalization and account-related options. Scanning through the options, you should select the one labeled Account. Clicking this will direct you to a page devoted to your account details and settings. Now that you're on the account page, keep an eye out for the profile section. There should be an option to edit profile or a similar setting. The edit profile option is often represented by a small pencil icon, symbolizing the ability to change or edit details. Click on that icon to move forward in the process. After selecting the Edit Profile icon, scroll down to locate the Delete Account button. This step might require a bit of navigation because this button is usually located towards the bottom of the profile settings page. This button is crucial. It's the key to beginning the account deletion process. Once you've found the Delete Account button, click on it. At this point, you may have to follow some final prompts to confirm your decision. These prompts are designed to ensure you're intentionally deleting your account, as this is a process that can't be undone easily. Follow the instructions carefully, reviewing any messages or warnings the platform provides. And there you have it. After confirming these final prompts, your Manus AI account will be deleted. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've downloaded or saved any important data or information before completing this process, as you won't be able to retrieve them once the account is deleted. Remember, while the process is straightforward, taking your time to understand each step can help prevent any unwanted deletions or errors. Thank you for watching today's video. If it was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.